Hi.
Hi.
So what's your name and what do you do?
Okay, I'm Deepak Pareek. I'm managing director of a company called HnyB, and we advise corporates, governments, startups on intersection of technology, policy, and food security.
So what do you think the world should do to ensure food security?
Look south. That is, global south is what is producing maximum amount of food, and I believe that there is a huge opportunity in continent like Africa, where still a substantial part of land is not cultivated. Using modern technology, financial support from the West, I believe Africa can become the food bowl of the world, and I'm sure all of us can have nutritious food.
Lovely. So what's your motivation to be here today?
Okay, my motivation was to share my experiences across more than 45 countries, where I've learned that what needs to be done to make agri-food system better. And as a speaker, it gave me an opportunity to engage and share whatever my learnings were to the wider audience, and they can go home and replicate in their own companies, countries, as well as regions.
And what's your thoughts about the event today? Are you finding it like very fruitful, the networking?
Yes, very interesting event. Networking is awesome. At the same time, I also like, which is not in most of the event, good content. So the speaker are well prepared and they're talking a lot of sense. Otherwise, I've seen that in a lot of event, people are sitting on a stage and you start thinking, why I'm wasting 40 minutes listening to this gentleman or gentlewoman. But I think here the content is pretty good.
So we'll take it that this event, if it happened again, we will see you here.
100%, that's given.
Lovely, lovely. We're happy that you enjoyed. We also enjoyed having you with us. Thank you very much for your time.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.